Why does mental health in the LGBTQ plus community often remain an unseen struggle? It's a question that requires us to delve deep into the societal constructs we live in. Imagine a world where everyone's emotions are visible, like colors in the spectrum. In such a world, it would be easy to see who is hurting and who needs help. But the reality is different. Our struggles are often unseen, hidden behind smiles and assurances of "I'm fine." This is particularly true when it comes to mental health, a topic shrouded in stigma and misunderstanding. Now let's consider the LGBTQ plus community. Here this issue becomes even more amplified. Not only do they grapple with the universal human struggles, but they also face additional pressures. The stigma around their identities, the discrimination they face, and the fear of being misunderstood can add layers of complexity to their mental health. Did you know there are unique mental health challenges faced by our LGBTQ plus friends? Just like a rainbow, each color representing a different struggle, yet together they form a vibrant spectrum that is both striking and beautiful. Let's start with anxiety. It's like a constant storm cloud, looming over day-to-day life, casting a dark shadow over everything. For those in the LGBTQ plus community, this anxiety can be heightened by the fear of coming out, or the worry of rejection by loved ones and society. Next, we have depression. It's a heavy fog that can settle in, making everything seem dull and hopeless. This can often be exacerbated by the isolation and loneliness felt by many in the LGBTQ plus community, especially those who have been rejected by their families or peers. Suicidal tendencies and self-harm, the darkest colors in our rainbow, are also prevalent. The harsh reality is that these are significantly higher among our LGBTQ plus friends, often as a direct result of the discrimination, violence, and lack of acceptance they face. Lastly, let's address substance abuse. It's a destructive hurricane, tearing through lives and leaving devastation in its wake. For some in the LGBTQ plus community, substances may seem like an escape from the pain and the struggles they face daily. But remember, while these challenges are daunting, they are not insurmountable. Each color in the rainbow, each challenge faced, is a part of the journey. A journey that may be fraught with storms and fog, hurricanes and darkness, but also one that can lead to brighter, clearer skies. The journey may be tough, but it is never a journey that needs to be taken alone. There is a community of support, resources, and acceptance out there, ready and waiting to walk alongside you. They're the sunshine after the storm, the beacon through the fog, and the calm within the hurricane. Because together, we are stronger. Together, we can face the rainbow of challenges head-on and come out the other side, stronger and more vibrant than ever. How does understanding these unique challenges help? It's a question that often pops up, and for good reason. In the vast spectrum of human experiences, understanding is like a torchlight that illuminates the path of empathy and acceptance. Let's put ourselves in someone else's shoes for a moment. Imagine facing a world that doesn't understand you, a world that often misinterprets your identity. It's like walking through a maze in the dark, with no guiding light to show the way. That's the reality for many in the LGBTQ plus community. Understanding these unique challenges is more than just acknowledging their existence. It is about comprehending the depth of these issues and recognizing the impact they have on an individual's mental health. It's about listening and learning, about opening our minds to the experiences of others, and about respecting the diverse tapestry that makes up our society. When we understand, we foster empathy. Empathy, that powerful human ability to feel another's joy, pain, or struggle as if it were our own. Empathy bridges gaps, breaks down walls, and builds connections. It's a catalyst for change, a tool for healing, and a beacon of hope. Understanding also paves the way for acceptance. Acceptance isn't about agreeing or disagreeing, it's about honoring the humanity in each one of us. It's about recognizing that our differences don't divide us, but rather enrich us. It's about celebrating our shared human experience in all its vibrant diversity. But how can we understand what we don't know? That's where knowledge comes in. Knowledge dispels the shadows of prejudice and discrimination. It shines a light on misconceptions, dispels myths, and uncovers truths. It empowers us to see beyond stereotypes, to recognize the strength and vulnerability, and to appreciate the courage and authenticity. Reducing the stigma and discrimination faced by the LGBTQ+ community begins with understanding. It's a journey, not a destination. It's a process of unlearning and relearning, a commitment to growth and transformation. It's a path that we walk together, hand in hand, heart to heart. So let's embark on this journey of understanding. Let's listen, learn, and love. Let's celebrate our differences and honor our shared humanity. Because in the end, remember, understanding is the key to acceptance. If you're finding this information valuable, do give us a like. Your thumbs up lets us know that our content is impactful. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. We'd love for you to join our growing community. And hey, let's get the conversation rolling in the comments section below. Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights. Remember, respectful and constructive dialogues make our community stronger. Your interaction helps us reach more people and spread awareness. In what ways can we celebrate the diversity of the LGBTQ+ community, you may ask? Well, let's dive right into it. As we explore the diverse tapestry that is the LGBTQ+ community, we find a multitude of colors, patterns, and stories that are as unique as the individuals who make up this community. It's this diversity that adds depth and richness to our society, and it's something to be celebrated, not just tolerated. So how do we do this? How do we honor and respect this diversity? There are numerous ways, and they all start with acknowledgement and recognition. One of the most visible ways we celebrate LGBTQ+ diversity is through pride parades. These vibrant and energetic events are not just a celebration. They're a powerful statement of existence and acceptance. They are a reminder of the community's history, its struggles, and its victories. Another important aspect is representation in media. Seeing LGBTQ+ characters in movies, shows, and books who are complex, authentic, and relatable can have a profound impact. It not only validates the experiences of those within the community, but also educates those outside of it. It can challenge stereotypes and help break down the walls of misunderstanding. Moreover, inclusive policies both in the workplace and in educational institutions are vital. These policies ensure that everyone, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity, is treated with the respect and dignity they deserve. They promote a culture of acceptance and equality. But celebrating diversity isn't just about these large-scale events or policies. It's also about the everyday actions. It's about respecting individual pronouns, supporting LGBTQ+ businesses, or simply being a friend to someone who may be struggling with their identity. Remember, each one of us has a role to play in creating a more accepting and inclusive world. Whether you're part of the LGBTQ+ community or an ally, your actions matter. Every step towards acceptance and celebration of diversity makes a world of difference. So let's continue to celebrate the beautiful diversity of the LGBTQ+ community and make our world a more vibrant and inclusive place. Where can one seek help and support? This is a question many of us grapple with when facing mental health challenges. But know this, you're not alone. There's a whole network of resources specifically designed to provide support to the LGBTQ+ community. Let's start with mental health hotlines. These are services available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing immediate assistance to those in need. They're staffed with trained professionals who can provide guidance, support, and if necessary, refer you to more specialized help. Next, we have support groups. These are spaces where individuals facing similar challenges can come together, share their experiences, and provide mutual support. They're a great way to feel understood, validated, and empowered. You'd be surprised how comforting it can be to meet others who are walking the same path as you. Counseling and therapy are also crucial resources. These services are provided by mental health professionals who are trained in understanding and addressing the unique challenges faced by the LGBTQ+ community. They can help you navigate your feelings, manage stress, and develop coping strategies. And let's not forget about online resources. There are countless websites, blogs, and forums dedicated to providing information, advice, and support to the LGBTQ+ community. They can be a great place to start if you're not quite ready to reach out in person. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness. On the contrary, it takes a tremendous amount of strength and courage to reach out. So never be afraid to ask for help. You're not alone. There are people out there who care about you and want to support you. And finally, don't forget to take care of your physical health as well. A healthy body can greatly contribute to a healthy mind. So eat well, exercise regularly, and get plenty of sleep. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. You're not alone. Looking for more resources and our recommended health products? Don't forget, we've got you covered. Just below this video, you'll find our description box chock full of links to valuable resources, supportive communities, and health products we trust and recommend. It's a treasure trove of information to help navigate your unique journey. Remember, you're not alone in this, and these resources can be a great starting point. We've put together some resources for you in the description box below. What can we do to make a difference? That's the question we've been addressing throughout our conversation today. It's the question that underpins our journey of understanding the unique mental health challenges faced by the LGBTQ+ community and the importance of celebrating diversity. We've taken a deep dive into the unseen struggles, the complex rainbow of challenges that this community often grapples with. We've acknowledged the importance of understanding that these are not just statistics or abstract concepts, but real people with real experiences. Understanding that mental health concerns are not a phase or a choice, but a very real aspect of many people's lives. We've also celebrated the incredible diversity within the LGBTQ+ community. Each color of the rainbow represents a different lived experience, a unique perspective that enriches our world. We've explored resources and support networks that are available, and we've highlighted the difference that these can make in someone's life. But what can we do? We can listen, we can learn, and we can lend our support. We can be allies, standing up against discrimination and advocating for equality. We can be there for our friends, our family, our co-workers who identify as LGBTQ+. We can make sure that they know they're not alone, that they're seen, heard, and valued. We can also take care of our own mental health, ensuring that we're in a good place to support others. We can make use of the resources and products we've discussed today, many of which can be found in the description box below. But beyond all these things, we can be kind. Kindness can bridge gaps, break down barriers, and bring about change. It can make someone's day a little brighter, their load a little lighter. It can make a world of difference. As we wrap up our conversation today, let's carry these insights with us, applying them not just in our interactions with the LGBTQ+ community, but in all aspects of our lives. Because in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Did you find this video helpful? If so, we'd love for you to hit that like button. It might seem like a small action, but it can make a big difference in helping more people find this content. And if you want to stay updated on our latest videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got a lot more to share with you. Now, we're sure you have thoughts, questions, maybe even some personal experiences you'd like to share. We encourage you to use the comment section below. It's a space for you to connect with others, to share and to learn. And who knows, your input might just be what someone else needed to hear. Moreover, if you think this video could help someone you know, don't hesitate to share it. Let's spread awareness and understanding far and wide. Let's keep the conversation going. Together, we can make a difference.